Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your playing history audit on Pokerstars. So go down to the tools icon over here, it's going to launch the tools section, then history and stats, open that, and then go down to the last option, playing history audit. From there, what you can do is select the start date, maybe you want to go August the 26th, 2023, you can go in there, the end date, November 12th, 2024, and then after you give a password and confirm this password, that will basically send you a link or an email from Pokerstars where you can actually download your playing history file. And you need to have the correct password to actually download the file from Pokerstars as well. You can essentially change the format of this file that Pokerstars will send to you. You can either change it to Excel, HTML, or text CSV. From there, press submit, and then that email will be sent to you. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any comments, leave them down below. Thanks.